Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Nvidia app not recording your voice on clips. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do here, we need to open up Nvidia app, and you need to make sure that Nvidia overlay is enabled, and then you just need to press Alt plus Z. Press Alt plus Z, open up this window here. Then what we need to do here, make sure that microphone is push to talk or always on but not off. Then what we need to do here is to press on settings, then make sure to go to audio, make sure volume is not muted here, and this is important, make sure format is not single track but separate tracks, and then once this option is selected, what you need to do here is to simply record a new clip. Just press record or do instant replay, it really doesn't matter. And then what you need to do here is to, after you record the video, you can go back on your icon, go to audio, and switch back to single track if you want to, and then it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.